Welcome to our video presenting Skin Sync, an AI personalized skincare routine designed for an 8-week replenishment cycle. Our team of 6 is here to break down our approach, from customer research to our business model and the AI strategies behind our service. The core problem isn't a lack of products, but a lack of certainty. Our research shows that many customers cycle through options, lose trust, and struggle to find what fits. We aim to solve this by moving the focus from buying more to choosing correctly. To understand our market, we utilized in-depth interviews and surveys. We acknowledge our sample limitations and prioritize transparency regarding our findings. Every percentage shared in this video is based on our specific group sample, not broader market share data. In this video, we define our market opportunity by focusing on what we can measure. We intentionally left some cells blank to avoid speculative numbers. Our strategy prioritizes finding customers on major marketplaces while using our own platform to build lasting relationships. Competition is fierce, particularly from KOCs on social platforms who offer free, accessible advice. SkinSync differentiates itself by sitting between affordable mass-market options and expensive clinical services, offering a structured, cycle-based routine within the customer's existing budget. We offer 3 key promises: getting it right the first time, making adjustments affordable, and keeping routines simple. SkinSync doesn't just sell skincare. We sell the right to make informed choices and revise those choices every 8 weeks. Our business model has 2 layers. The first is online retail, where we act as a reseller. The second, more valuable layer, is our subscription service. This cycle allows us to gather outcome data, which is our most durable asset. We track 8 stages of the customer journey, focusing on 3 primary metrics: quiz completion, email sign-up rates, and cycle 2 retention. Identifying the gaps in this journey early is critical to our operational success. Our clickable prototype was designed with 1 goal per screen to keep the flow intuitive. It successfully validated user interest in our flow, though we clearly mark what it doesn't prove, such as the actual payment experience. We utilize AI across 5 key use cases, ranging from screening product reviews to demand forecasting. Crucially, each use case has a dedicated owner to verify the output. We prioritize human oversight to ensure our messaging remains accurate and ethical. Our digital marketing budget of 45 million Vietnamese dongs is tightly focused on 1 city and 1 segment. This limitation allows us to optimize for clear communication. We are mindful of platform dependence and track costs to ensure our unit economics remain healthy. Looking at business economics, we focus on the contribution margin per customer. By keeping our acquisition costs below a 300,000 Vietnamese dongs break-even threshold, we ensure that every new customer adds value to the business over the course of their subscription. Our Week 5 landing page test provided invaluable real-world data from 1,240 visits. While we saw a conversion rate of 1.85% from visit to email, we remain grounded. Nobody has paid yet. Validating actual payments is our next major step. We have identified 3 critical risks: legal/ethical concerns, model validation, and platform dependence. For each, we have defined numeric thresholds to trigger warnings. We take a proactive approach to mitigation, especially regarding data privacy and disclaimers. In conclusion, our management decision is to remain in Hanoi for 3 months, focusing on achieving a 45% repeat rate. We are committed to this disciplined approach, acknowledging that SkinSync is not yet a fully validated business. This final slide covers our data sources and key assumptions. We have utilized primary research, market context, and academic resources to build this model. Please note that all quantitative figures are projections based on a small sample, and we have not sold at scale.